Welcome to the Indiana State Board of Animal Health YouTube tutorial on handling pets, especially dogs or cats, small animals that are too young for rabies at the point that they need to be shipped. In order to do that, I've pre-filled this certificate just like you would if you were sending a pet that was 9 weeks old. This pet is too young for rabies, and that needs to be written on the certificate in order for it to be valid. Please do not enter too young under rabies vaccination date, rabies booster date, rabies tag number, or rabies serial number. Because these pets don't have anything that would go in that column, you'll simply type over here, too young for rabies vaccine. And that's all you have to do. You'll proceed with saving and signing just like you would on any other certificate, but you don't want to type under any of the 4 rabies columns if the pet is too young to receive the rabies vaccine. You can see that I did this one as an example of a pet that would be flying. It has this weather acclimation statement. To the best of my knowledge, the above animal in this shipment is acclimated to air temperatures lower than 50 degrees but not lower than 20 degrees Fahrenheit.